Hey guys, today we have a review of the Nightscape Dashcam. I think it's 1080p and it has cool features such as Wi-Fi. It's $70 on Amazon. It's pretty cool looking. It's probably a decrease of 50 like the Smart did. So it's black exterior, and I'll do a comparison to the Smart later. But I can't put a lot of footage, fortunately. So let's get to unboxing. So it's pretty simple to unbox. You see the plastic tabs. It's pretty easy plastic tab. So I returned the Nexar Dashcam because it had recording issues that it didn't record a lot of the drive. It missed it a lot. So I returned it for something better like the Nightscape, which is by far better in comparison. Sorry for my terrible camera reviews, just my tripod sucks so much. It's a Joby mini tripod, don't buy those. So this slides open like this. Okay. So, this is what the camera looks like. Back looks pretty cool. The front also, it's pretty big display screen. Okay. So manuals, thank you for choosing. I don't even know. This is just a manual. We don't need that. Here I may. Limited warranty. And a thing. Thank you for choosing us. So here I'll pull this circle and then pull this cutout. And okay, here are all the accessories, including the one-port car charger, which you can't even charge your devices at the same time. But oh well, we don't use car chargers anymore, so who cares? And this is the free sticky mount, which we're not going to use. We will be using this suction cup mount. I have two of them. This suction cup mount is like the one I had last time, except a different brand. It's, of course, it looks well. I'm going to put my sticky mount up. And next item we have is this. How do you open this? How do you make this the charger? Okay, so it's shaped like this. It's a pretty cool design feature, except it's USB, and you are not going to be able to charge your phone if you want to, so that's a kind of downside of this charger, which just buy a 2-port charger. And that's what's in the box. So now I get to the satisfying part. Zoom in. Let's get it in focus. Sorry if it's not in focus, my camera's stuck. The satisfying part, peeling this off. Wow, that was fast. Let's get the top part. Oh, it's stuck on me. Oh no, get off. Wow, just stuck to the floor. So, more satisfaction. Okay. And the front screen. The screen. So, first impressions. I do like the design. It kind of reminds me of the Rove, except The buttons are on the bottom. And more peeling to do, I guess. And there's also a camera off 1.8 like the smart one, except it's a 140 and not 165, and the camera screen doesn't feel as good. So I have my suction cup mount, and I need to unpeel it, which is a pain. Actually, no, it's not a pain. And so you're gonna slide it on, like, I don't know if you can see this, but just a mechanism. This goes a specific way. They really changed the mounts. Are you kidding me? What the heck? Okay, so I'm gonna have to stick this patch of suction cup to the adhesive. It doesn't even, it actually looks pretty cool. Like, okay. The problem I don't like is that the mounts aren't proprietary. That's a minus, a big minus. Could still rotate the camera around for police encounters, so that's nothing to worry about. So the smart Dashcam SD card went in this way, and now they put it the other way, which is a feature I really liked of the smart Dashcam. It's not that good of a card thing. So I had to use my mouth to get my SD card. So the cable. Okay. So this cable looks probably as long as the XR. It's a sling. Okay, so my cable plugs in. I think it goes up. It goes up. That's just kind of a weird design touch, I guess. You expect it to go down, and you may actually think that this is the micro SD card slot, but this is. That's kind of interesting design, I guess. So you just plug in the USB cable, and then you need to just power. So when you put the SD card in, you're gonna need to use your mouth because it's just too bad if you have short nails. So that's not good. Okay. Same noise as the smart Dashcam. That's a good sign. Don't worry, just edit that part out. So tap next. These are way different than I remember. So I have to set it to 2020. Oops, I passed it. 2026, it is June. Is it the 10th? Mm-hmm. So it's the 10th. And what time is it? 7? No, I need to say 19:37 because it's PM. This thing uses military time. So it's 7:37? Mm-hmm. Okay. I actually did 38, but that doesn't matter. I have to press the back button. So I do not have my SD card in. So you might want to change some settings. 1080p WDR. Okay, so I'm going to set it to 1080 30 WDR because LCD brightness, I like it on high. LCD auto off, I am not a fan of that. Settings. Standby time off. Time setting off. Wi-Fi connection, I'll do that in a bit. You have the G sensor, medium. No ADAS, please. Sound level. I like stuff loud. Key sound. startup sound on, yes. Device info, format, I don't have a card in yet, so I'm going to put mine back in. Come on, you can do it. So it's weird. Okay, so it says see everything. So to ensure the device works normally, format the card before using it. Okay, so it's already recording. So I forgot to mention it uses a supercapacitor design, which means it's better in hot weather. So I'm getting my phone right now and pairing this to Wi-Fi. So I am opening the Dashcam on my phone, my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Oh my god, my angle just cannot get good. Here's the Dashcam. So it already says my smart camera. Okay, so we're on the settings. Wi-Fi scan to connect. So I'm going to scan it with my phone. I don't know if you can see it. Photo. Okay, tap here to see a text and notes. So the card cam, I'm going to tap that, and the password that it gives you is 12345678990. So yes, it has Wi-Fi, okay? I'm going to tap connect. And it disconnects my phone's Wi-Fi, so if you're on Android like me, so it's going to say stay connected, use without internet, or no, stay connected. So the Nexar one, I like that had the 5 gigahertz band. So I'm going to go to the Dashcam app. So I'm going to switch to add device. Nightscape Dashcam at power supply. Next step. I'm going to allow it to take some photos. So you scan it in the app, I guess. It's so hard to keep a grip on it. Okay, it says it's connecting. Okay, it's connecting. And it's already showing our live feed, which is pretty handy. So that's pretty cool. So tap album. So you could see all the video files. They play? Okay. So they all play perfectly fine. That's the reason I do like it. Let's not skip a beat so far.
For the soccer thing instead? That's what they did, I think. See it? Yeah. I think they made it into a soccer thing field. See it? Looks kind of cool, actually. I like it.
Oh, down there?
Yeah, down here.
Oh.
Pretty cool. That's a good idea. Very good idea. Huh. Look at what I got! Yeah. Hashtag idiot. I wish a bird would run into her. saw the Zoom interview they were doing on TV. It was so funny because one of the guys in the Zoom in his square has a mask on.
Oh.
I'm like, you're at home on a Zoom call, and he had a mask on. I thought that's so stupid.
Did you see the one? I think it was talking about George Floyd. It was like what the community thought about it, and then if you join the Zoom.
A poor transit spectrum there.
Not the governor's speaking yet. Hey guys, can he won't be on Fox though. Let me just check and see. Another 30 minutes if you do Maddie's.
Okay.
You did it!
Is it good?
Did you like either of them?
They were good. Yours better, Mommy.
Yeah.
Ew, you left some residue on the straw.
That was just for you, Maddie. So it's Mommy, Maddie, and Chase.
I'm not even drinking.
Fast.
Sometimes when the cars drive slow, I name them slow cars.
You name them Cricket?
Slow Toyota.
How about Snail? What do you think?
So
Now you have a chance to pass them.
Not really, Chase.
Why don't you?
Because if I went on this side, how do I get in front of them? I really can't. Someday when you drive, you'll get it. Right now, you clearly don't. You're
It's not sunroof.
No. So Baxter, and I tell Baxter no.
I got a photo of the
Baxter's
wildest
shitty right
Me
now.
too, I got one
Bentley's
too.
laying down in the bed, so I just bring the bowl to Bentley and let Baxter eat where he's eating. That's just scary. Careful the other side.
I got the same crowded Ford F-150 as I did last time, so I'm not gonna get it.
Did you get the Tundra though?
No, I got the piece. If it's a it looks like it could be a Montana license plate. If it's a Montana license plate, it's a big one.
Oh really?